There we go. So we started, it dinged, it's red. Today's date is 1 September 2020. Unboxing of a Sanyo M7110, and the other one's a 7110k, which means one's a shortwave and one is not. The one with the K is a shortwave, the one without shortwave is the zero. Okay? And I got messages. Okay, so many messages. Alright, so here, this one here is upside down. I'm going to sit on my little stool here. I don't have a remote control for that camera. I didn't bring it. I have my scissors in my back pocket. I have a verified power cord right here. That's the wrong one. This is not plugged in. Great. Okay. Which one is it? Come on now. I just had this thing plugged into... Right, so this one is good. This will fit. He's out of the way. Okay, so put that over there. I got scissors. I got a box. All right. This is a a long and thin. Let's see here. Oh gosh, I don't even. Do I have the other one here still? I put all these things back up on the shelf. Well, okay. What is going to look something like one of these here. This one's got a broken handle. I was thinking the world I can do about that, except maybe try to repair it. And if you really, you can hold it like this. But it's got the straight up and down things, and that's a Sanyo. Okay. Anyway, so the problem is that I sold one of these a while back. Not a while back, a month ago or so, and anyway, they're just so hard to find. This is the, let's see here, this is the, I can't remember which one this is, but let me just get into it, and so there it is. Not terribly well packaged, but as you can see, can I see myself? Yeah, okay. Okay, so this is just right in that box there, no packaging on the end of the box here, so it's like it's got some scratches, but it's not, very little. This is from a girl, right? So a girl packaged this, right? So this is exactly how it came. Isn't that funny? I think it's funny. Wrap the cord around the outside. It's like, yeah, that'll do for packaging. Okay, well, gosh, I'm not going to use this power cord to get it off here. I mean, really, you had to put it through the handle, huh? Okay, so there's that. Here's that. That's out of here. Great. So now you plug in my verified power cord, which is here at the end. Okay. And by the way, if you haven't seen this up close, it's a what is it? This is the AM and FM model of the 7110. Okay, so it's got a, of course it's missing, well, it's just got one section antenna, but that's good enough to get FM and look correct. Alright, so let's see here again, let's plug it in here. Alright, and it's on tape, so it's off, so hit the radio. 492-5844 or wisdomteethguysdallas.com.
Love getting prices that are lower than low on food that's fresher than fresh? Kroger. We give you more ways to save on the fresh you love.
So the balance works. No, you can't hear that, but there's that.
Giving you prices that are low.
And that works.
Fresh for everyone.
Flu season
Works
just
like it's supposed to.
Okay. You can get your flu shot right here
and then
for free.
that's in
Schedule your appointment today at
and stereo, mono.
Are you
Okay.
ready for a road trip? Yep.
Let's turn that off. Let's go to the, let's see, open the tape deck. That's great. Door is solid. That's good. Let's hit forward. Motor runs, nothing turns. Can you hear that? Okay. Stop. rewind. Rewind works and very strong. Okay. Play works. Okay. Well, so I think it just needs a belt for the fast wind. I can't remember. I just took this thing apart. Oh, there you go. There's fast wind now working. Okay. Just hadn't been played in a while. Alright, so let's hit stop, pause, stop. Okay. Then I brought a, this is a Fleetwood Mac tape, okay, and it's got the rumors on it, and this is a, I don't know if you can see this, but this is a, you know, it's one of those heavy tapes, metal alloy. It's a TDK Type 4, that's metal tape for those of you that don't know, MAXG 90, okay, and it says Fleetwood Mac hits, and I just happen to know that on this side it's queued up to play some rumors, so, or, yeah, Rhiannon, I think. Okay, so let me throw that in, right, yeah, that, hit play. And we got some clicking sound. Okay, so don't want to sell that music, so it works properly. And I'm going to go through this a little bit later, but that's it for that model there. Okay, put this cord over here, put this somewhere, put on top of the kaboom. And yeah, I do have, what is this here? That's got batteries in it. And you all see it. It's working. Yeah, so it's I have the headphone jack thing in there, so anyway, that works. Let me turn that off. Alright, that's still for sale. Okay, so now what? I want to go to this big'em box here, right? So this one here, let's see here. This one here, where did I do with my scissors? Here we go. This one here is the same thing, except this is the shortwave model, and I won this on eBay. I put one bid. Yes, I was that person, and I got this one for whatever. Okay. Don't know why, but I like these smaller radios. So this is, wow, look at that. Oh wow, he double boxed it. Oh my gosh. You see that there? It's double boxed. Wow. So guess what? I'm going to have it in some nice packaging. So I'll save this packaging for sure. Oh yeah, that's real nice sturdy box. I can reuse that. Very good. So, okay, and then here's some more. I like this kind of packaging because I can cut it and shape it and form it. It provides superior packaging for those of you that ever ship anything to anybody. So what is this? Optima. This is, I guess, from a restaurant. Okay. All right. So this here is like that. And then, okay. So that, this, that. And this is a nice box as well, although it's not really necessarily I got more. Okay, I hate these balloon things, but I don't have much faith in these things. Here's a nice little coiled up power cord. That's cute. All right, and then here's the, as I see it in the box here, like that with all these balloons. So we just kind of pick this up out of here. More balloons. Great. Let's get that out of the way. Let's get this here. Oh, this is in a bag. Oh, I can reuse that. That's nice. Oh, wow. This is... okay. This one here is, for the most part, nearly new looking. Okay? I don't know if you can appreciate the terminology of nearly new, but this is pristine, whereas the other one has... I don't know what to do with the other one. What did I do with the other one? Oh, I set it up here. Okay. So this one's got like a little nick there, and a minor scratch there, and a little scratch here. This one has nothing. This one is, okay. This got some minor, scratches. I mean, very, minor, okay? And it's got a little scrape, a little scratch there. I mean, you know, we're talking, you know, you have to get your magnifying glass out, or in my case, get this out to look to see. You know what I'm talking about, you know? I mean, really, do you sit here and look at your stuff with a magnifying glass? I'm about to play this. I don't sit here with a magnifying glass and do that. So, once again, I'll take my verified power cord here. And mind you, both of these models do not have line in. They don't have line in. You don't, you know, these are about playing cassettes. They're not about playing the cassettes, having an equalizer which makes the sound superior, right? And all it has at the end is just, you know, plugging in your external mics, a miniature headphone jack, a DCM port, and of course your ACM port. And of course it also takes 6 C batteries in the back, okay? This is the shortwave model. Anyway, so there we go. Plug it in, and it's in tape mode. The volume is off. So I flip it to radio, okay? Put it on stereo, put it on FM, and give it some volume.
Maybe my Mac was screwed up early. Need to get this taken care of.
And of course,
You
you know, this one has the
click
complete
that, next thing
antenna
you
with
know,
the tip.
You get a notification
So it comes
10
out
minutes
to,
later.
you know,
Your new
pretty
microphone has
far.
arrived.
And it's straight.
So you order it at the beginning of the
This one
segment.
here
By the
didn't
end, your new
have
microphone
the-
is here, ready to go.
You know, thank you just had the one, so if you can see that in the video, I don't know.
That's what I'm saying. And
So
you know, Amazon obviously
So now
has
let's,
the money, the technology, all this.
flip it over to tape. It's on that. Let's see, let's eject. Door solid. Good. Let's hit forward. That's I can fix that. That's inside the radio. And then rewind. Fine. And then play. This play works. Tight. Forward is okay. And rewind like that. So now let me get my tape. What did I do with it? I had my tape. What did I do with the tape? Okay, so many places. Here's the tape. Once again, Fleetwood Mac. Okay, this side. All right. So this. Hit play. But it's got noise in the tape deck. That's the recording bar switch, and that's how you repair that. I'll get into that later and repair that, but this is a very nice sounding radio, and this is also a very pretty looking one for what it is. That's all I know, and hopefully whoever's watching this will enjoy. I'll send this little video, at least for that one, to this one. The tape deck worked better than this one because of the noise in this one, so that's all we know. That's all I wanted to say here. Let me get my tape out before I forget it, because I will lose tapes in these machines. As you can see, I have zillions of machines here. Okay. Alright, so there's that tape. Put that tape back in the box. So I'm famous for leaving these things out. So there's that, there's that. So now, I got that camera going, I got the Facebook thing going, and there's a, oh gosh, what was that guy's name? Well, RP, okay? He contacted me about a month or 6 weeks ago, and so I still have this, okay? It worked. I'm not, you know, just, I still have that, all right? And I still have the 2 blue ones here, okay? And the, you know, the paper stickered one is the one how I can tell which ones. That's the good one. And I sent one off to New Zealand. That's off the coast of Australia. I still have this one. I don't think this one works at all, but I have it, okay? And then, let's see here. It was that, then what was it? The D30, right? So here is the, whoa, here's the D30, all right? Still have that, okay? So it's still here, all right? And I can go on and on about what is still here, but pretty much everything is still here, okay? I haven't sold anything in over a month. My friend in California has wanted this. There was somebody else that emailed me or sent me a text message. I can't remember. I've got so many people email me every day. This is my favorite, which is on, as you can see. Let's see. Oh yeah, what was that other radio? The 549. Is that right? Yeah. Here's this one. Here's the 549 people keep asking me about. Yeah, there we go. Ding, ding, ding. All right. Let me see. I think this one has batteries in it. Yeah, okay. Fine. Radio.
With an old garbage bag that had some liquid in it somehow. From a meal or something, and you get that weird garbage juice on you that just smells like, it's terrible. Devil butt that's turned.
And you want to kill yourself and everybody around you?
That seems like there's some other issues that are going on with you, Craig. Oh, wow. Another thing is needles. People are not disposing of their needles properly.
Needles? Who cares? Let's see here. Play. Okay, so that works, right? Okay. Works, still here. Still has the, complete antenna, all right? What else? I don't know. Okay. So I got that one here. Just nobody wants to pay the shipping from here to Pakistan or Croatia or India or wherever. It's like $110 to ship this thing, just to go that far, people. All right. So if you want it, if you're going to pay, I'm asking $120 for this thing plus shipping. Okay. It may sound like a lot for a little thing, but it works perfectly. It looks like this. Looks good. I may go a few dollars less than that, but I know it's $110 shipping from here to India. So, I'll ship it there. You pay the shipping, no issues, but everyone wants something for just the price of the radio and then shipping is free. That's not the way it works, people. All right? So, anyway, that's all I know. I could rattle on about radios, but I've shot so many videos about these things so many times, All right? So, here, let me just get this here. Here, let me pop this off the tripod. All right, get that off the tripod. There we are. We're still live. Here, I'll wave it. Jacob, okay. Pedro, and who's this? Don Neek Mega, Elizabeth Swan, Janice Mons, NP Leonard, and that's it. So that's all the people. So, and then someone else is up here. Who is this? Bayram? Okay, so yeah, he needs those. Okay, fine. Well, I'm having too much fun. Alright, so let me get out of there, hit finish on this. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's the, anyway. I'm just shooting video of the other camera in the bathroom because I had to get it that far away. So here, let me just see. I was showing this on. Wait, can I? Am I showing that? Okay, there we go. All right, good day, bye to the YouTube people. Hope you enjoyed. I had too much fun. I got to upload this later. I know I've been uploading. Oh, that's right. I've been uploading a bunch of videos about the motorcycle because the motorcycle got here. Or no, I'm confused. Anyway, it's going to rain for the next few days, so there won't be any videos like that, and that's all I know. So, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.